Good day. Now, I'm going to discuss to you about a gas absorption problem. The problem states 1,200 liters per minute of a gaseous mixture with 24% ammonia and 76% by mole air will be treated in a packed column and operating condition of 1.8 atm and 27 degrees Celsius. The entering liquid, a dilute aqueous ammonia solution with 0.5% ammonia, and the gas leaving should contain 1.227% ammonia. Assuming equilibrium equation given by y is equal to 0.65x and the leaving liquid will have 12.7% by mole ammonia. What is the mass ratio of the entering gas to entering liquid? This diagram shows the flows of gas and liquid in a packed column. The gas enters at the bottom, which is symbolizes by the V prime, V1, and Y1, and leaves at the top with symbols V prime, V2, and Y2, while the liquid enters at the top with symbols L prime, L2, X2. It leaves at the bottom, which symbolizes by L prime, L1, and X1. For the problem, the givens are the volumetric rate of the gaseous mixture, which is 1,200 liters per minute, the mole fraction of the entering gas, which is 0.24, then we could calculate the mole ratio of the gas entering, which is 0.3158, the mole fraction of the leaving gas, which is 0.01227, then we could calculate the mole ratio of the gas leaving, which is 0.0124. For the entering mole fraction of liquid, which is 0.005, we calculate the mole ratio of the liquid entering, which is 0.005025. Then, the leaving mole fraction of liquid is 0.127. Then, the mole ratio of the leaving liquid equals 0.145. V1 was calculated as V1 is equal to the volumetric flow rate multiplied by the pressure divided by RT multiplied by the correction factor 60 over 1000. Thus, the value of V1 is equal to 5.265. V prime is equal to V1 multiplied by 1 minus the mole fraction of the entering gas. Thus, the value of V prime is equal to 4. L prime divided by V prime is equal to the mole ratio of the entering gas minus the mole ratio of the exit gas divided by the mole ratio of the exit liquid minus the mole ratio of the entering liquid. With this, we will get the value of L prime by substituting the computed values. Thus, the value of L prime is equal to 8.643. L2 is equal to L prime divided by 1 minus the mole fraction of the exit gas. Thus, the value of L2 is equal to 8.7502. To get the mass rate of the entering liquid, WL2 is equal to L2 multiplied by X2 times 17 plus 1 minus X2 times 18. By substituting the values, we would get the value of WL2 as 157.4604. Then, to get the mass flow rate of the entering gas, WV1 is equal to V1 multiplied by Y1 multiplied by 17 plus 1 minus Y1 times 29. By substituting the values, we would get the value of WV1 as 137.521. Thus, by substituting the values computed, we would get the ratio of the mass rate of the entering liquid to the entering gas as 1.1450 or the ratio of the entering gas to the entering liquid as 0.8734. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something from my discussion.